I was hoping the camera would show me, but there's so much reflection and glare in the bright sun. But it feels like I took a direct hit from a bee. Because if it was just like the normal sort of like up to 45 caliber rock, I mean, that stings and it goes. And it's like whatever, like rode motorcycles for years and years and 3/4 helmet. I have no problem like taking one right to the face. But this persistently stings, not that it hurts, but I just thought it might be kind of fun content. But it feels like it got stung. But another thing to do is slide it off with a credit card. But maybe if I go over to the shade, see if I can see what's up with that.